Hello everyone, I'm Professor Meha Srivastav. I'm working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. This institute comes under the banner of renowned Sage Group. Today in this PPT, I'm going to tell you about the complements of a complements in digital electronics. So first of all, we will see the complements of a binary number system. As we already know that in binary number system is a number system which is having a radix value of 2 and the range of values varies from 0 to 1. So in binary number system, we are having two types of complements, ones complement and twos complement. First of all, we'll discuss about ones complement. So in order to find out the ones complement of a particular digital number, which is given in binary form, then you have to invert all the bits of that particular given number. I'll explain you with the help of an example. One's complement of a number 00110001 to the base 2 can be found out by inverting all the bits. Means zeros will be replaced by ones and ones will be replaced by 0. So the resulting ones complement will be 11001110 to the base 2. Here you can see that all the zeros and ones are inverted. Zeros are converted to ones and ones are inverted to zeros. Next, if you want to find out the twos complement of a particular given number, then you have to invert all the bits of the given number. Means, first of all, you have to find out the ones complement. And then after finding the ones complement, you have to add 1 to the result. Let us suppose that if you want to find out the twos complement of 000101001 to the base 2, then first of all, you will find out the ones complement of the particular number. So ones complement will be 111101011. Then after finding this ones complement, just add 1 to the result. So the required twos complement will be 1111011 to the base 2. This will be your twos complement. The concept is very simple. Means if you want to find out the ones complement, then just invert all the bits of the given number. And if you want to find out the twos complement, first of all, find out the ones complement, then 1 will be added to the result. Next is complements in a decimal number system. So already we are aware that decimal number system is a type of number system which is having a radix value of 10 and range varies from 0 to 9. So in decimal number system, we are again having two types of complement, which they are nines complement and tens complement. So if you want to find out the nines complement in a decimal number system, then just subtract individual digits of a given number by 9. Let us take an example of 748 to the base 10. This is a digital number. This is a decimal number. And if you want to find out the nines complement of the particular given number, then just subtract individually all the bits by 9. So you will get 251 after subtracting the digits by 9. So 251 to the base 10 will be the nines complement of 748 to the base 10. And in similar manner, if you want to find out the tens complement of a particular number, then individual digits of that number will be subtracted by 9 and then 1 will be added to the result. So again, we'll take the same example, 748 to the base 10. If you want to find out the tens complement, then just subtract individual digits by 9. So 251 will be the result. Now plus just add 1 to the result. So what you will get 252. So 252 to the base 10 is your required tens complement.